What about the first airplane?
Yes, we had all that down in Norfolk the other day.
Singing with the first airplane for that.
Well, the first airplane I had right in Syracuse in 24, you had to get strapped in and make your will out and say your prayers and a few things. And the pilot took me over Syracuse for $5, I think. And he turned right on the side, and I looked down on the scene Salina Street, and then the people looked just like little dots, see? And then when he's coming down, that was going pretty good. And when he's coming down, he wanted to give me a thrill. He dropped that thing about a couple of hundred feet, just like that. No, oh, my guts is coming right up.
Your stomach stayed up
Yeah.
Your talkies told me a lot of things I didn't know before. Years of things, but I didn't write them down, I can't remember. But I do have enjoyed them very much, as I've told you before.
Well, that's good. Very good.
My first night, my little daughter was about 67 years old, and I took her with me because I got killed. I didn't come under to go with her. I was scared to death, but I was so nice.
Well, where did you go?
Oh, North Air.
Yeah.
Mr. Rotundo had an airplane, and he was the first airplane dealer in Illinois.
I got my
I remember the first ride. First two rides. Really?
I didn't have them about 5th of July when I got down.
You're down to
Yeah,
the
and I
so I
was
was
My brother had
one morning, we
a
went
nice
down to school.
Cadillac and that.
That would be
He had a car. That was straight.